Okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Travel with NTIRUSHWA. So, today is an amazing day, and I have a very big news for you guys for today. After reaching Kigali with my VW Passat, I'm good. I thank God. Today is on Tuesday. I woke up very well, and really thank God for waking us all peaceful without any issue. So today's video is about a very important update for you guys, for those who follow me. So the update is about revealing of something big. As you can see close to me, you can tell that there is something here which is not usual. We have a bike. We have a bike as we have been planning for so long time. Finally, we managed to do that. We managed to get the bike. I will give you some seconds to reveal the brand of the bike before I disclose every details of the bike. So those of you who knows the bike, which brand do you think it is? Which brand is this bike? So we just managed to get the bike here in Kigali. The brand of the bike is BMW GS Sertão 650, and we got it second hand. It was really used because the total mileage right now is at 70,000, around 70,000 and something. And I think that's not really bad, as no, this is Africa, we gotta make use of what you have. We, like, if you can't be able to do something, you gotta do what you're able to do. Like, the life shouldn't stop. Like, it doesn't mean that if you don't get what you want, life has to stop. You have to, like, continue with what you can get. So this bike is BMW GS Sertão. It was owned by a friend, an expert who was living in Rwanda from UK. Shout out to Jonathan for giving me this amazing bike. Even though we still need some work to refine it so that we go on the road safe and sound, but the bike runs. No issue so far, so good. What we need is minor service of the bike. We need to get some few things for the bike to perform better. So we need some pads, brake pads. Those are normal things, normal fixes. Yeah. So I think what I have to say is I want to thank everybody who has been following me, who has been subscribing to my channel, who has been supporting me, everybody who commented, everybody who just give likes to my Facebook post. I really appreciate everyone. I give thanks to all of you. Another thing is I really need to give a shout out to my friend Dennis Misheni Gitonga from Nairobi, from Meru, but based in Nairobi. I really love to say thank you, bro, for just your inspiration, man. For those who don't know Dennis Misheni Gitonga, you can go to Facebook, search for him, Dennis Misheni Gitonga. And let me tell you guys, Dennis really inspired me. When he started his own project, he got a Honda Transit 1995, and he got the bike was functioning before, but the engine was problematic because it was lacking some few things. But Dennis opted to go for a brand new engine that he bought from Italy. So he started from zero. He started from A to Z in reviving that bike. I remember in some days back when he was starting with painting the frame, putting up the new tires, installing the new engine, removing the old headlights, putting up the new headlights. Yes, it was an immense project, but he did it. If you want to see that beast, head over to his YouTube, to his Facebook page. You will get to see his bike. That bike, he built it from scratch. I mean, isn't that an inspiration, guys? I think that's a very big inspiration. That's where I got the inspiration from. Yes, I also got this beast for me. One thing is excited for is that this bike, as you can see, is registered here in Rwanda. The bike is registered in Rwanda, so no more struggle of thinking about how I'll pay duties, everything. So this plate doesn't belong to me, but we've already initiated the plate for my bike. So my plate is, I'm going to collect my plate in the... So I was saying that I've already initiated the transfer and I'm going to collect the plate on 15th of July. So, yeah, those are the plans in the meantime. And apart from that, we are planning to go back to Mount Kenya. I need to climb Mount Kenya with that bike. So it will be an amazing opportunities. And for those who follow me, who want to join, I will let you know once it's around the corner. And another big plan I have is riding to Livingstone in Zambia. And I will also let you know about that plan, because that sounds like a huge plan. It's not a usual plan, because going from Kenya, go from this side to Zambia is not an easy task. So it's a long distance that you have to be prepared for. I will let you know about that plan too. Yeah, but basically, yeah, here we are in Kigali, and everything is, we thank God. I mean, we thank God for life, for provision. I mean, we thank God for everything. So, guys, thank you so much for following me. Yeah, that was all about the update about the bike. I think I have to show you around the bike too. I have to show you the bike. Let me just go and show you the bike. Yeah, we have to see the bike. 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 Oh. Yeah. People have been thinking that I've stopped biking, but no, I can't stop biking, guys. Yeah, because it has taken me a long time to get back to the bike. It doesn't mean that I had stopped the biking. I love biking so much in the life that I can't stop it. So, yeah. So sometimes you gotta take time. You gotta take time and prepare for the coming back. Strong coming back. So, guys, thank you so much. This is the bonus. This is the bonus for the VW Passat. Thank you, guys. And I appreciate everything. I appreciate the support for you, from you. Yeah, guys, I can tell you that we're gonna be doing a lot of rides, and I'm gonna be coming back to YouTubing. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. You enjoy the time. Wow. Wow. Stop, 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 stop. I heard you. true.